Hi, so I'm going to show you how I access my own website. Um, I have a program for that, which is the one I was telling you about. Um, that requires some information for me to get in there. So I go here to FTP Connect, and here rm.org is my domain, Rainbow Muffin. So I connect with the hostname, username, and a few other pieces of information. I have all my folders here. Each folder is a subdomain. That doesn't matter though. This one, htdocs, is the one that's the main one that's going to show up as rainbowmuffin.org. Here I have all my files. You can see that they are different formats. HTML is the file that you can, like it would be each section of your website. So I can just select all of these, and on this other side I can go to my documents and copy from here to here. I have a folder called My Webs. You see I have htdocs here and all of the stuff that I put on here. So this is on my computer and I work with this, and then I change what's on the internet. To change what's on the internet, I have a website program called Notepad++, which is this one. And this is all the coding that I was talking about. So, for instance, this is a website that I was working on for the shelter where I adopted Cherokee. Didn't work out because they were not helping me. So this is documents my web's computer renewed adoptions. So I'm gonna go to that in my documents, my web's computer renewed adoptions, and this web page with this format is exactly what I see here. This is the back end. So if I click here, it'll open up on my browser, and I'll be able to see what it looks like in the front end. So this is what all that code generates. Okay. These are some of the dogs that are sorry, that are at the shelter. This is Jerky's brother. All of these links are different web pages, so different bits that end in HTML format. So, for instance, you can see when I do this, you can see at the bottom on the left what page it is. That's the index. So I have the index here. That's all the code that's behind that page. And if I click on it, I can see it. And this is a template, by the way. I'm so rusty that I can't do this stuff. So much has changed. So without template help, I just can't. Okay. Anyway, So yeah, as you can see here on the link, it's still on my computer, but I actually uploaded it to my domain. Come on, go back. Okay, it's not going back for me. It's like this thing froze. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, going to close this and open it again because it's not cooperating. Okay, so I'm going to connect again, and I can show you. This is the information I need. It's the name of the server, the username and the password, and I connect to that server. And here is Campito. So that's a subdomain, as I said. So to see a subdomain, I have to type the link of the subdomain plus my domain. So it's like a subfolder. And then it's going to load. And this is already uploaded to the internet. Okay, so it's not on my computer anymore. So what I did was take stuff from here and copy it from here to this folder. And that's how you can see it on the internet. And you can see that some characters are showing up now that weren't showing up before. Like here, you couldn't see them. This is back on my computer. So yeah, if you gave me that information that I just showed you here, wait, here, I could go on your on your website and copy it from my computer and try to find what's wrong with it and try to help you. And if I can't find a way, nothing will be changed on your website so that you see what's going on. I just try to go to your website and I wait for a bit. Nothing loads, nothing comes up, and after a while it times out. So that's my problem. Like I used to be able to see it right away when you first told me you had this website, but not anymore. And as I said, I added it to my antivirus program as a safe website. This is my antivirus program, and it didn't work. So it's not a problem that's on my end. I think it's a problem that's on your end. I tried different browsers like Chrome. This is Firefox. And as a, see, connection timeout. And as a web designer, I have Opera and Internet Explorer as well to try different websites, as well as Google Chrome and Firefox that I use all the time. So I think that pretty much explains things. I hope it was not that you're dumb, but I hope that it was dumbed down enough so that it makes sense to you. And who knew that you could film stuff with PowerPoint? Okay, that's all.